Hey, it's unboxing day. It's one of my favorite days of the month is unboxing day. I'm Julie Ball, Chief Sparkler at Sparkle Hustle Grow. It's the business building membership and subscription box for boss babes, female entrepreneurs, side hustlers, goal getters, and everyone in between. So this is the December box. I'm super excited. Clearly, I have the holiday spirit, but I'm here today to show you what's in the box. So when you open it up, you're going to get all kinds of information about how to make the most of your membership, because it's not just about getting a box of goodies. It is exciting. Yes, you get your surprise box every month, but we do personal development, we do business training, we do a book study. It's so much more. So let's dive in. The first thing you'll see is a little card. Forbes calls us the best subscription box to gift the boss babe. Thanks, Forbes. And why did we include this? Because if you are looking for a gift for the boss babe, we got you covered. You can do gift cards, you can gift a box, you can gift a subscription. All the details are on this card. All right, the first thing you're always going to see then in your box is your workbook. We're going to provide you with all of the information in one fancy little workbook. And on the front, you'll always see the date and the theme. So this month's theme is virtually amazing. Really, our goal here is to set you up for success in the virtual world with all kinds of tools and resources and training. When you open it up, you're going to find your take action checklist. We're going to give you 5 things to do today to take action in your business. And the first one's super easy. It's always listen to a podcast. And so we've got a podcast picked out for you. We're going to help you with the training and the book study and give you some opportunities to win free boxes. Then you are going to get your box packing list. I'm not going to go through this now because I'm going to show you what's in the box. But if you ever are unsure about what's in the box, or if you're missing something, you can check the box packing list and confirm. If you have any problems with any of the products, just reach out to us. We are at support@sparklehustlegrow.com. The guest expert for December 2020 is Jennifer Buchholz. She is a best-selling author, entrepreneur, coach, and engaging self-proclaimed geek, which I love because she can do all the tech things that I'm just kind of nervous about. So this month's training is called Zoom-tastic Events That Engage. Tired of the same old boring Zoom meetings? Time to liven things up with a more engaging approach. It's a $47 value, and it's super, super fun. It's going to teach you all these things that you didn't even know Zoom could do. I was blown away. It helps you find interactive ways to have your participants fully engaged, fully present, and providing them value and a good experience. It was so fun to go through, and I know you're going to love it. All the sparklers get access to that. Then further on in the book, you have some information about our book study. You can cut out the reading guide, which will help you stay on track throughout the month to make sure you finish. And it is a shorter book this month, and that was intentional because this is a really busy time of year. It is the last month of the year. It's game on for entrepreneurs. And plus, we have a lot going on with the holiday season. So we picked a shorter, impactful book so that you can get through it. On the back, there's always going to be a little quote. Be so good that they can't ignore you. It's a Steve Martin quote. You can cut this out, hang it up, put it on your bulletin board, or whatever. All right, let's see all the goodies inside. Sprinkle. Okay, so remember, this is a virtual themed box, virtually awesome. So one of my favorite things, and this has been a huge hit in the past, is the anti-blue light glasses. There were a couple of different styles that our sparklers chose, and the style that I got in my box are these really, really cute floral version. They're like purple and black and pink. How do I look? Oh, I love them. They're so cute. And you're going to get this bag. It is a lens bag, and it is a microfiber lens cleaner. It says, bye-bye, fry eye. So you could take it like this, and you can just wipe down your glasses. And I've been told the tip for not having, you see how I have those reflections? That's my light boxes. I should bring them to the side a little bit more, or I should put them up facing down a little bit more. I guess if I just keep my face down like this a little bit. Same thing with the ring lights. If you have it straight in front of you, and those ring lights are going to have that circle. So let me move these lights and see if that helps. Okay, I put them at a different angle and you can't see that reflection unless I turn to the sides where they're going to be right at me. So I love these glasses. They're intended to make you have less strain on your eyes when you're on your computer for hours and hours and hours, which I know you are because you're an online entrepreneur. So these are the anti-blue light glasses. They come with the little microfiber lens bag. I can't wait to see all the unboxing pics to see what colors and what patterns everybody else got. Next in the box is a tiny little tech gadget that I don't want you to overlook. This is a webcam cover. So I took it out. It is intended to give you privacy. We do all these Zoom calls and our computer video is open all the time. And you never know what kind of bad guys are trying to sneak in and look at you in your pajamas. So girlfriend, put this webcam cover right over top of your webcam and it slides. So when you are doing your video, this part shows, the camera shows through here. And then when you're not doing a video, you just slide it back. It is super thin so that when you close your computer, it shouldn't be a big problem. If you have a laptop, for example, on the back, it'll stick. If you pull this right off, you put it right over top of that. That's what it's going to look like. So I have one on my computer all the time. I only open it up when I'm actually doing videos. It just gives you privacy because webcam spying is a real thing, whether you want to believe it or not. So now you'll be protected with your webcam cover. Next in the box, this was our sneak peek. This is the inspirational perpetual desk calendar from Bloom Planners. And what you do is you open up the back like this to give it a flat surface. And every single day, there is a new inspirational quote for you. We all get the same 365 days. The only difference is what we do with them. Love that. That's January 2nd. So you just keep flipping them until you get to the end of this side is June. Let's see, one more. June 30th. And then you flip it. It says you're halfway through the year. Flip your calendar over. So then you turn it like this and it starts with July 1st. And it does not have any days and it does not have the year on it. So it just has the date, like the month and the day of the month. So it's perpetual. You can use it year after year after year. So we included a similar product to this a couple of years back, and it was one of our most popular products of the entire year. And what I loved was seeing this throughout the entire year. A lot of times our subscribers would then take a picture of a quote that really moved them or really spoke to them, and they would post it on social media. And I love that because we'd see it throughout the year. So if you do that, make sure you tag us so we can repost. Next in the box is the book. So this month's book is called Make Virtual Meetings Matter: How to Turn Virtual Meetings from Status Updates to Remarkable Conversations. It is a super quick read. It's 8 chapters like master effective communication, design your conversation, lead meetings like a pro, and participate to have impact. I love this. It is, like I said, it's a super short read. It's impactful. It's going to help you right now because I know if you're like me, your calendar is full of Zoom calls. Then if not, you need to start having some coffee chats with some of your fellow sparklers or just colleagues that you haven't touched base with in a long time. Ask them, how can I support you? How are things going? Make your virtual meetings matter. We will be doing a book study in the private Facebook group just for subscribers. So subscribers, I'll see you in there. And the last thing in the box, it's not even on the packing list because it is a holiday gift. It's a bonus item in your box. All of our subscribers, whether they got the VIP box, the regular box, or the mini mailer, you get your goals for the new year notepad. I am so excited about that. I'm going to take a pen, write down a goal right now. More live video. That's one of my goals. I want to do more live video. So I'm going to write it down. I'm going to pull off this sheet, maybe put it on my whiteboard so I can see it all the time. And we're going to encourage our subscribers to do the same thing, to write down your goals on your new goal notepad. Share it with an accountability partner. Share it on social media. Share it wherever you can. The more people that know about it, the more you're going to feel accountable, the more you're going to feel inspired and motivated to reach that goal. And we'll talk about goal setting in our Sparkler group, but I always like to break down my goals into smaller chunks. So instead of just saying more live video, maybe I'll say post 1 video a week. And that's a step in the right direction of my goal of more live video. When you break a big goal down into smaller goals, then it just makes it easier to achieve, and you get to reward yourself when you hit those smaller goals. So I am looking forward to using this goals notepad with our sparklers. You'll be seeing it in our social media. Now, that was the December 2020 box. I am really, really excited about it. People are loving it, and I cannot wait to dive into the training and the personal development and the book study with all of our sparklers. But before you go, I always try to give you a sneak peek for next month. So in January 2021, our theme is I can and I will. Now, if that is not an affirmation for a positive mindset, I don't know what is. So I can and I will. So your sneak peek is this amazing book called Thinking Like a Boss. Uncover and overcome the lies holding you back from success. This was written by my friend Kate Crocco. We've actually featured her as a guest expert last year with an incredible mindset training. But this year we are featuring her book, and I could not be more excited. This is a really, really great read, and it is such perfect timing for the start of the new year to have a mindset book, because 2020 was a lot of ups and downs. Shake your head. Am I right? Yes, exactly. So we need to start the year with a really good mindset. I love what it says in the inside cover. It says, turn your limiting beliefs into limitless opportunity. Preach, girl, preach. So this is your January 2021 sneak peek for the I Can and I Will themed box. If you're already a subscriber, great. You will likely renew on December 15th. If you have any problems with your account, just reach out to us at support@sparklehustlegrow.com. If you are not a member yet and you want in, now is a great time. Head over to sparklehustlegrow.com. Join now and you will be all set to have your January 2021 box sent to you. We ship in the first week of the month, but we are there for support all month long in our online community, where you are going to get cheered on, you're going to get motivation, personal development, and again, where we do our book study. So guys, thanks for all of your support throughout 2020. We are pumped about 2021 and hope you are too. Hope everyone has a fabulous holiday season, and we'll see you on the inside. Bye.